Yo, DJ Smasher.
This is cute. This is cute. The picture is cute. The color is cute. I don't know if I want to go straight into brown, but I did really want to see what this was looking like. I've been rocking my black curly, and for me to switch to a brown wig, I'm not really quite ready yet, but I was so eager to just see what this was looking like and what this was giving. So let's see.
Personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. 'Cause I all need the up.
Oh yeah, it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all, and I don't even have it on all the way. I don't even have it on all the way.
The summer flake, I said farewell. You took it well. Promise I won't cry, but the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another bath.
This is cute. This is so cute. I'm going to get this. If they still have it in stock, I'm going to get this same wig in black, because they definitely had the brown option and the black option. But at the time that I purchased this one, the brown one was on sale for like, I kid you not, it was on sale for like $4. So this is a $4 wig. First impressions of a $4 wig, and it's alright. You know, it's okay. I've paid a lot more for wigs that gave a lot less. I am not dissatisfied. I am going to rock it this weekend though. Maybe do like a little. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it today though, because brown on brown on brown on brown. It's a lot of brown going on. So I think I'm gonna stick with my black unit. I like this. I just wanted to take it out the package and see what it was looking like. It's not too bad.